I chose Easy Class as one of my five technologies, um, just because we were supposed to use a new technology, and we use Shobi in our school, and I thought this might be a alternative type um, program. I would probably use this for students. Um, you could use it, I guess, if you were like admin for teachers. It has a lot of features. It's not very um, flashy in its looks, but you can set upcoming events and reminders. So I could just, and it's very simple. You just click event, you would add your time event. Um, if you wanted comments, you could put files in there, and then you would submit it. I put in a kind of fake one for a book fair over here, and it kind of popped it in there. You can assign assignments. So you put your assignment name, description, if you want it returned, how many points, due dates, and then you would submit it. One thing I thought was kind of nice as a former specials teacher is you can create different courses. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I can create different classes since I had I was K-12, so I had a bunch of different classes. I made a kind of mock class just to be able to look. You can make groups, have files. I did think it was kind of interesting. You can post like announcements to your class, and then they would kind of post up in a feed. In the description of this product, it was kind of advertised as being set up kind of like social media. And I guess I can kind of see how you can see that it's kind of set up like social media. I did notice, like I did a quote unquote quiz here. And so you can have your kids do quizzes. There's quiz walls. I did think it was kind of fun. You could have discussions. So I had posted a discussion about, so the discussion question was discuss how to use the place value chart in question 2 of the homework. And then your kids could post their responses down here, much like social media. I feel like because our kids are on social media, they may enjoy this kind of setup. As far as our standards, I feel like this would fall under 5C of explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. I do feel like for some kids this would be a nice tool to use. I can see how it could breed some problems just because I didn't see any feature for like having to approve comments. And it could be that I just haven't found it, but I could see that being an issue. Again, our school uses something else for this type of things, but I mean, I can see where this could be and it's pretty easy to navigate. So it could be a nice tool to use if you didn't already have something else that your school used for this kind of purpose.